I'm sorry about this. It's not intentional at all. I don't know what happened to my audio. I tested these things and they were all fine. So I don't know what went wrong with the audio. Please, I'm sorry about that. I have gone back to my phone. This is the first day I'm using the computer and I've done tests run and everything worked fine. But today, I don't know what went wrong. You can't hear me. So please, I'm sorry about that. If you are still around, if you are still available, do join back. I'm sorry about that. And then let's do this together. I'm switching back to my phone, which is what I've always used before now. Today, I wanted to make our class to be more lively and more educative. I wanted to introduce new things to the class. And then I wanted to be also contributing myself by typing and giving answers to questions. But unfortunately, it does not work. I don't know what went wrong with my my audio. You couldn't hear me. So I'm very sorry about this. It's not intentional. I feel bad about it, really, really bad. I actually invested a lot of money into this to make our classes more educative and more interesting. But alas, it couldn't work out. But I still believe it's going to work out. I'm going to find out what happened. I'm going to try to, reset it. I'm going to try to, study this computer again. This is a new computer. I'm not very, very cumbersome with the setting and everything, so I'm still working on that. So please bear with me. I'm very sorry about that. It's not intentional. I really want to communicate with you, respond to your, whatever you're typing, give you answers and everything like that. But it didn't work out today. It doesn't mean it's not going to work out another day, but it didn't work out today. So that it didn't work out today does not mean it's not going to work another day. So let's just, bear with me. I believe and pray that next Saturday, every problem will be sorted out accordingly. So I'm very sorry about that. Those of you who are still around, can you hear me? Let's be sure. Are you hearing me? Please indicate if you are hearing me. Say yes. If you are hearing me, just type yes. Let me know. Let me be sure you are hearing me. And those of you who are still around, okay, Joy, thank you. Those of you who are still around, do come back to class. Thank you for coming back to class. Who else is around? Please rejoin the class. I have only 2 people here, Nedum and Joy. Where are the rest? Ezenwa and the rest of them. Dr. Blahi, please, all you guys come back to class. I'm very sorry for what happened. It's not intentional. It's not my making. Of course, it's my making because I'm supposed to know better. But I'm not a computer guru. I'm doing everything together, trying to, see how much I can serve you better, investing in new gadgets and things like that. So please, it is meant to give you better service. Sorry for what happened. I do hope others are going to come back to class. I hope they will come back to class. Where are they? If you are still around, please come back to class. Let's continue this class. I told you I'm going to switch to my phone, and that is exactly what I've done. So please come back to class now, and let's continue from where we stopped. Please, I'm sorry about what happened. Let's come back to class now. I'm still waiting for others to rejoin the class. I'm still waiting for others to rejoin the class. Where are they? I have only 2 people here. Where are the rest? Please rejoin the class. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Here we challenge ourselves to speak, learn Igbo language. We challenge ourselves to measure a level of progress in Igbo language learning. Here we learn from the teacher, we learn from each other, and every one of us are part of the family. I want to appreciate those of you who kept the dates with me today, despite the challenges we had. I want to also thank you for being patient, for staying through and waiting, especially Joy, Nedum. Anna was the one that first joined the class today. Unfortunately, it didn't work out as planned. Please, Anna, can you rejoin this class? so we can continue where we stopped. Yes, I'm waiting for others to rejoin the class. Meanwhile, while we are waiting for them, I think we should go on with the class. I believe that they will, get to know that we are back online and they may rejoin along the line. But we need to go on with this. We didn't need to wait. In the last class, we stopped at a particular point, and the last sentence we considered in the last class was ị chọrọ ngọzi pụrụ iche n'afọ a. That was the last sentence we considered. And that means, do you want a special blessing this year? That was what we considered last. And then most of us say yes, and the rest of them. Now we're going to continue in that line of thought. Okay? So the next sentence we will make now is Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Can you help me to type it now? In the computer, I was supposed to type myself. In fact, I was supposed to display the final answer to you. That was all I planned down to make the class more engaging before I was shown the other way, which is very unfortunate. Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Okay, you tried. Okay, Joy, you tried. And then Nedum tried also. Joy wrote, Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Good effort. Nedum wrote, Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Yeah, good one. Good one. I think Nedum's own is more appropriate, is more perfect. Joy is not noro, it's noro. Noro. Yeah, Nedum got it right. N-O-R-O with dot under the O's. Okay? That is a more appropriate thing to do. So, Biko noro Chineke nso. That's correct. Okay? Nso, there's no dot under the O. Both of you got it right. Chineke, you got it right. Okay? So the only thing that Joy missed was Noro, should be Noro, N-O-R-O, and with dot under the O. So Chinedu got it very perfectly well. Now let's decode this sentence. What does this mean? Biko Noro Chineke nso. Those members who left after the interruption, I do hope they're going to rewatch the video. So because of the fact that the video will be uploaded and they will rewatch it, we have to go on, no matter the number we have here, so that they can watch it later in our homepage. So what do you think this means? Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. What does this mean? Yes. Any idea? You want a special blessing from God this year. I'm not giving advice, and someone is not giving you advice. Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. What does this mean? What does this mean? Yes, I don't know what nọrọ and nso means. Okay. How about Joy? Any idea? Any idea? You have any idea of what nọrọ and nso mean? Joy, any idea? Any idea? Mba. Okay, let's go. Biko means, nọrọ means stay. 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 That is nọrọ. Then, nso means near or close. Close or near. So when we say nọrọ Chineke nso, can you connect the two now? Nọrọ, stay. Nso, near or close. So can you connect the two? Biko nọrọ Chineke nso. Please stay close to God. Perfect. Joy got it perfectly well. That's smart. Please stay close to God. Biko nọrọ Chideke. So that is perfect. That is perfect. All right. Let's move on. There are other things, advice we're to give to ourselves. We've just done one. Okay. And then the next one is nwee ezi atụmatụ. Nwee or nwere ezi atụmatụ. It's part of the things you have to do, to achieve or to get the best from God this new year. Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Ezi can also mean ezigbo atụmatụ, whichever way you put it. Biko nwere ezi atụmatụ or ezigbo atụmatụ. Yes. Yes, I hope our members will see this live class and return back to class. Most of them must have been disappointed every time. Very sorry about that. Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Okay, you tried. Yes, let's see what Joy come up with. Nwere ezi atụmatụ. What did Joy say about this? Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Yes. What is Joy saying about this? Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Okay, you tried, but atụmatụ is just one word. We are not separated it. Okay, you tried. Even Nedum tried to write atụmatụ, but not perfectly well, but good effort. Is the atụmatụ, the spelling is right, but the U will have dot under, both U. It is O, not U. It's not atụmatụ, it's atụmatụ. So it's U with dot under, O, atụmatụ. Atụmatụ. Okay, so biko nwere ezi atụmatụ. Can you write it better now? Can Joy rewrite it, or Nedum? Can you rewrite it now? Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Every other thing is okay except atụmatụ. ATUMTU dot under the two U's. Nwere ezi, yeah, that's perfect, Nedu. That is perfect. Yeah, that is perfect. Nwere ezi atụmatụ. Perfect. Any idea of the meaning of this? Any idea of the meaning of nwere ezi atụmatụ? Any idea? Any idea of the meaning of this particular word? Nwere ezi atụmatụ. One, you need to know the meaning of nwere, then atụmatụ. Mba, Nedu doesn't know. How about Joy? If Nedu doesn't know, I don't think Joy will know. But let Joy answer for herself. Do you have an idea of the meaning of the word nwere ezi atụmatụ? Yes, Joy? Mba. Okay, that's fine. Nwere means have. Have. Then ezi is something good. Ezigbo, that is short form of ezigbo. Should be ezigbo. So ezi is for short. Then atụmatụ is plan. Plan. So can we connect the word now? Nwere ezigbo or ezi atụmatụ. What does that mean now? Let's connect it. Let's connect it. Nwere, have good plans. Wow. Joy, you are smart. Really, really, really. That's correct. So if you want the best from God this year, you also must have good plans for the year. You don't just wish you have the best without having good plans. Okay? You have to have good plans. So you have good plan. Nwere ezigbo atụmatụ. Perfectly said. Let's move on to next. Okay, there is another thing you need to do to have the best this year. And the next is dị ike n'ọlụ gị, dị ike n'ọlụ gị, dị ike n'ọlụ gị. Let's try to write it. Dị ike n'ọlụ gị, dị ike n'ọlụ gị. Yes, dị ike n'ọlụ gị. Dị ike n'ọlụ gị, dị ike n'ọlụ gị. Wow, you guys are too much. You are trying. Okay, Nedu got it perfectly well with all the points where it should be. Joy too tried, except that Olu for Joy should have dot under the O and dot under the U. Apart from that, perfectly written. So Nedum got it perfectly well, nothing to correct. Okay, and let's move. And the meaning of the word, or the sentence rather, is what? Let's try it out. What is the meaning of this sentence? Is another thing to do to have the best from God this year? Yes, let's try the meaning, interpretation. Let's try it out. Yeah. Who is trying that? All our members have gone. They are disappointed and they are annoyed. They have all gone away. Only 2 of you came back. At least I appreciate 2 of you for making the class to happen, nevertheless. Okay. Be strong in your work. Woo! Joy, you are too much. I like that. Joy, you are too much. Strength in your work. Okay? Strength is in your work. No, Joy got it better. Joy got it better. Be strong in your work. That is the perfect interpretation. Be strong in your work. Or you can also say be hardworking. Okay? DK is a command, is an instruction. DEK, be strong in your work. No logi. Joy is the winner. All right. Okay, be strong in your work. That is it. DEK no logi. Great one. We are moving. Then there's another thing we should do to be successful this year. Next sentence. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Yes. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Yes, let's write that first. Let's write that first as an instruction. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. You have tried. Let me hear from Joy. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Yes. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Ndị enyi n'ọjọọ. Okay, good try. Esola ndị enyi ọjọọ, not n'ọjọọ. Ndị enyi ọjọọ. There is no N there at all. So the places you guys are putting N, comma on top, and ọjọọ, remove it completely. No N there. So let's also look at the other thing. Nedum wrote Esula. So the first thing you have to correct is not esula, it's esola. Esola. So it's ESO, not ESU. ESO. It's not Isola, okay? Joy, you try to make correction, but it's not yet Isola. It's Esola. So starting with A, E is correct, except that the place you put U, Nedum, should be O. So Joy, you also try your correction, but the place you put I to begin should be E, A solar, not E solar. What you wrote is E solar, E, but it's A solar. A solar. A solar. Ndị enyi ọjọọ. That is what it should be. So change that, yeah, A solar ndị enyi, perfect. Perfectly written by Joy now. That's great. That's perfect. That's perfect. I believe Nedum has seen that too. That is a perfect sentence. Okay. We are moving on. And we are also going to say this. Next sentence. Gbaa mbọ zere or zere nsogbu. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Oh, we have not said the meaning of esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Sorry about that. I need to come back to that. We've not said the meaning of esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Yes. Yes, I got that, Nedu. I'm coming back to that. I just also see that now. It means esola is the opposite of sorrow. Sorrow means follow. But esola means don't follow. Opposite of sorrow is esola. Esola. Don't follow. The next word there is ndị enyi. Enyi means friend. One friend is enyi. Ndị enyi is friends, plural. Ndị enyi, right? I believe all of us knows what ọjọọ means, bad thing. So, esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. Don't follow bad friends. Don't follow bad friends. Is that okay? Is that okay? Don't follow bad friends. Did you get that now, Nedu and Joy? You two of you, you are the consolation I have today. Otherwise, it would have been devastating today entirely. Honestly, I prepared so much for this class. I put so many things in place to make this class today a wonderful one. In response to you guys, joining my channel, I have prepared so much for this class, but God knows better. Every challenge is meant to make us better. So I take the challenge and I'm going to get better with that. All right. So we move on. So, thank you, Joy, for that consolation. Okay. Let's go. So I have done esola ndị enyi ọjọọ. We've done the meaning of that. Then we are talking about biko. Okay, gbaa mbọ. That was the next sentence I was making. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Joy has already written nsogbu, so just use that in the next sentence. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Let's go. Let's go. Try your hand on that. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Okay. Wow. Good efforts by Nedu. Joy, I'm waiting for your own. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Wow. Two of you are too much. Oh. You got it perfectly well. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Perfectly written. Let's decode it. What is the meaning of this? Any idea? Any idea? Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Any idea here? Any idea? Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Any idea of the meaning of this? Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Any idea of the meaning? Yes. Any idea? Let's go there. Ngwa ọsịsọ. Any idea of the meaning of this sentence? Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Yes, I'm waiting. Any idea? Nsogbu is problem. Yes, nsogbu is problem, correct? Gbaa is run, not really run in this aspect. Not run. Not run. The person trying to join this class should know that this class is for members of this channel. So if you want to join this class, what you should do first is to join as a member of this channel so you can gain access to this class. It's a live teaching. Thank you for doing that. Okay. So ba is, you can only be run if you put ba also, it becomes run. Ba is used for many phrases like that. Okay. You can use ba egu as dance. Ba also run. Ba mbo is not a different thing entirely. Okay. Ba mbo. Okay. Avoid problem. Joy. That's a good idea. That is a good idea. That is a good idea. Okay. Okay. So nsogbu is problem. That's true. Ba is not run, like I've explained. I don't know the rest. Joy has tried to get the rest. Zere is avoid. Avoid. So Joy picked that correctly. Avoid is zere. So let's now pick them together. Gbaa mbọ is try. Okay. Is try. Okay. Make effort. Try. Okay. That is gbaa mbọ. Okay. Zere is avoid. Of course, you know that nsogbu is problem. So this new year, if you want to achieve much, if you want to make progress and achieve your goals, gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. So let's put it together. What is the full sentence? Let's write it. Somebody give it to us. The full sentence. Gbaa mbọ zere nsogbu. Give us the full sentence. Yes, I'm waiting. Who is shooting it? Who is shooting it? Right. They do. Try to avoid problem. Joy, try to avoid problem. Two of you are too much. You are hot. That's great. That is it. Try to avoid problem. We go. We are making progress. I now pray for you. I say, Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Now for horror, I offer this prayer to you as you want to make progress. I want to follow all this advice. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Don't tell me what I said. Just type it first before we now say what the meaning. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Write it the way I said it first. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Write it before we decode the meaning. Let's go. Ngwa de ya. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jizọs. Ngwa. Dee ya, dee ya, dee ya. Ya gaziere gị na. Joy, you miss out something. N'aha Jesus. And then I say ya, not ya, not ya. Ya. Joy wrote ya. Gha is ya, but ya is ya. So Nedu got that correctly. Ya. Gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. So, Joy, you need to pick your answer from Nedu's own. Nedu is very correct. His own is perfect. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. His own is perfect. His own is perfect. Yes. So, Joy, pick your answer from there. If anybody has joined this our class, he should drop his or her greetings to us so that we can also return the greetings to him or her. If you are in this class, please drop your greetings. Let's welcome you to class. Okay, Dr. Blahi is here. Okay, that is what I'm looking for. There, Doctor, thank you for returning back to class. Doctor, you won't believe what I planned for you guys today, what I wanted to do. If all the things I have today, I planned them out, including the wordings. I have to be displaying them. I have to do, I want to share my screen and explain some other things outside the live to bring in some other things. But God knows why it didn't work out the way I planned it. So it's going to make us get better and stronger because I'm going to learn exactly what happened and trash it out before next Saturday. You can be sure of that. I've invested over more than $500,000 naira into this laptop and other things. So I feel pained that I couldn't use it today. But that is not the end of the story. Better days are ahead. Right. So, Doctor, you are welcome. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Okay, Doctor, you tried. But the person that got it perfectly well is Nedu. Okay, Nedu first. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Yes, Nedu. That is the perfect one. So, Joy, do your correction from Nedum's sentence. Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. That is the perfect sentence there. That is the perfect sentence. So now we decode the meaning of this. Who will help us to decode the meaning of this? Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. So we have to come back to our phone that we'll be using before to use phone again today. When the computer, disorganized me, I have to come back to phone. All to the glory of God. So, who has idea of Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus? Anyone have idea? Any idea of the meaning? Any idea of the meaning? Ya gaziere gị n'aha Jesus. Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? If there is none, we should just indicate none. I don't know what Ya gaziere means. Okay, that's fine. How about Nedu? Any idea? Any idea? Nedum, do you have any idea about this? Mba, okay. Ya means eat, of course. Eat is ya. Gaziere gị, ga, go. Gazie, go well. Gaziere gị, go well for you. Let it go well for you. Ya gaziere gị. Ya, it's go, gazie, go well. Gaziere gị, go well for you. So, ya gaziere gị is let it go well for you. Naha Jesus. Of course, Dr. Blahi has written Naha Jesus in the name of Jesus or in Jesus' name. So he has helped me to complete the remaining one. Doctor, thank you for that. So let's go there. We move on to that. We don't only need to pray for us to succeed. Not only prayer, we need to plan. We need to have focus. We need to have goal. So the next question is, gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? A long sentence, but we're going to break it in pieces. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Try to write it. A little bit long, but take it one by one. Gịnị bụ, that's one. Otu ihe, second part. Ị chọrọ, third part. Inweta n'afọ a, fourth part. I take it again, one by one. Gịnị bụ, what is? Oh, I'm giving you the meaning again. I'm sorry. Gịnị bụ, you're going to write first. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? So it's four parts like that. So start writing now. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Okay, Joy. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Woo! Joy, you are too much. Nedu, let me see what you did. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Powerful. Correct. You guys are too much. Joy, you didn't put question mark. It's a question. Nedu got that very fine. He knows his question. So that's great. You guys are smart. Dr. Blai, where are you? You are still typing. Are you still typing your own? Doctor. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Princess Ezenwa, you're welcome. Thank God you saw us again. You won't believe what happened today. It's so embarrassing to me. I felt so bad, but at the same time, I take every problem as a challenge to learn more, as a challenge to push myself higher and further. So what happened was unexpected. I've used this computer to do live class and do other things, and the mic and everything worked well. But the mic I'm using for live stream, I've not used it on this computer. That's to be honest with you guys. But I've done tests with it, and it worked. I recorded live, and I deleted it, and the voice was there. So for me to come and use it today, and the thing disorganized me, I don't know what to say. But all the same, it is a call to learn more. I'm going to go back and learn. But everything I prepared to dish out to you guys today I was disorganized. But I still thank God we are here. So, gịnị bụ, is it bu or bu? Is bu dot under? Is dot under? So Joy is, Nedum own is more perfect. He put dot under the u, bu. So let me see what Princess wrote. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Yeah, but also for Princess, but you have dot under the u for bo. Okay, Dr. Blah, it appears you are still struggling with this. It's too long for you. Okay, but one person got the sentence perfectly well. Okay, Dr. Blah is in. Gịnị bụ otu ihe ị chọrọ inweta n'afọ a? Doctor, you tried. Otu ihe should be separated. One thing, that is otu ihe. Ichoro is correct, but your choro should have dot under the two O's. The first O doesn't have dot under it. Iweta, there should be N in front of W for nweta, inweta. In fact, it should be one word. Don't separate it. Inweta, to have or to get. So it should be one word. INWETA. Okay. Now for is fine, but your AFO should have dot under the O for AFO. Talking to Dr. Abdullahi now. Good. Next challenge. What is the meaning of this word? Decode it. Who is decoding it for us? Okay, everybody make an attempt. Try to decode this word, this sentence. Decode it now for us. Yes, it's a question. Decode it. Give us the translation. Yeah, let me see who gets it first. The time is right about now. Ticking and going. Who is going to give us the meaning of this sentence in English language? Inweta. Yeah, Dr. Blahi, that's it. Abdul Karim, rather, that is it. Yeah, so that is it. So let's decode it now. Who is helping us to do that? What is one thing you want to get in this year? Oh, Dr. Nedu, you are too much. You are hot. Okay. Joy also. Oh, Joy was the one that even came first. I was saying, Dr. Nedu, what is one thing you want this year? Okay, you tried, Princess. What is one thing you want to bring in this year? You tried. Yeah, Dr. Blind, what did you say? Before I mark the script, what one thing do you want this year? Doctor, you tried so much. You impressed me. Okay, let me check who got it right. Joy wrote, what is one thing you want this year? Not very perfect. Ichoro, inweta. You missed inweta. Joy, you missed it in your interpretation. Let's see, Nedu. What is one thing you want to get in this year? More perfect. You want to get, you want to have, you want to achieve. Inweta, have, get, achieve this year. That is more perfect for Nedu. Princess, what is one thing you want to bring? No, not bring. You want to have. Inwe is to have. Okay, if it is iweta, it will be to bring, iweta. But I said iweta, to have or achieve. Okay, doctor, what is one thing? What one thing do you want this year? Not really do you want to achieve, you want to get this year. Good effort for everybody. Let's move on. It's not only to have something in your mind you want to achieve this year. Next question is, olee atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Olee atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Let's go there. Right now. Olee atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Yes. Who is doing it for us? Everybody should do it, or not who. Write your own. Whether it's correct or not correct, you must write your sentence. Ole, mind you, gini and ole are similar. They are used for asking questions. They are all what. Gini, ole, kedu. All of them are what. But used in different ways. Okay. Gini bo atụmatụ. Okay, I said ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Let's go. Write it out first. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. I think the only person I'm missing now from those who were in class before was the first person that joined class today. So disappointing for her. Hannah, I apologize to you especially. You are the one that came first to class today, but you couldn't participate in the class eventually. So sorry. We're talking about ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Nedum has written a doc. Olee atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Okay, I'm waiting for others. Joy, you wrote Ole at, I don't know. I say Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. One person has responded. I'm waiting for the rest. Princess, Dr. Ablai, where are you? Princess, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Joy, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Good effort, good effort. I'm waiting for Dr. Ablahi before I mark the scripts. Doctor, where are you? Doc, waiting for your answer. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Doc is in. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Doc, you are too much. Let's see who got it perfectly well, beginning with Nedum, Doctor. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya? Good effort. The only difference here is that ị nwere is not one word. It's ị nwere. You have. Ị nwere. All of you put it together, but it's not together. It's separate word. Princess wrote, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. The same correction for you. That is the only error there. Joy, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Same correction. Dr. Blahi, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Same correction. All of you guys you got it, except that you have to separate ị from nwere. Okay? Okay, that is it. This question I asked, you have to answer it by yourself. I didn't wait for the answer. When I said, what do you want to achieve this year? You are supposed to answer it by yourself. Write it down by yourself. But I believe by now you have your year plan and year goal. I believe you have that. That is what we're asking you about. Okay, you must have a plan if you want to achieve the best out of life and time. Okay, yeah, and they don't have done the correction. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Good one. So what does this mean? Meaning, you want to achieve great things this year, and I ask you, Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya, gbasara that thing. What does it mean? What does this question mean? Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Let's go. What plans do you have for it? Woo! Joy, you are too much. Joy is hot. Joy is hot. That's wonderful. I wait for other people before I mark the script. Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. I have only Joy leading here. Who is challenging Joy now? Dr. Nedu, Dr. Ablai. I have two doctors in the house. And I also have a nurse. I don't know, Joy, what is your own profession? Are you a nurse also? Let me know I'm dealing with hospital people in this my family. Joy, are you a nurse? What is your own profession? Let me know whether I have a family of doctors and nurses here. You can imagine. Joy is also a nurse. So this is a family of doctors and nurses and everybody. The man. Okay, so if I'm sick, I have nothing to worry about, but I will not be sick in the first place. I can only come for holiday in US, not for sickness. All right, so Dr. said, I am atụmatụ. Okay, They don't say, what plan do you have? I don't know what Basara is, Ademma. Okay? It means joy is leading you people. Now, in this case, I've not heard about princess. What did princess say? Princess has not said anything about this sentence. What do you say? Yes. What do you say about this sentence? Princess Ezenwa. Are you there? Okay, let me be marking the script. Your own might be on the way. Joy wrote, what plans? That is atomato. Dr. Blahi, atomato is plans. And Joy got it right. What plans do you have? Ule atomato, inwere, do you have? Perfect. For it or concerning it. Perfect interpretation. For it or concerning it. That thing you want to achieve during the year, what plans do you have concerning it? Ole atụmatụ ị nwere gbasara ya. So atụmatụ is plan. New vocabulary today for you, Dr. Blahi. Who has not learned anything new here today? I don't think. All of you have learned something new. If you know you have learned something new today from class so far, say, give me a thumbs up. If you know you have learned something new from the class of today, give me a thumbs up emoji. Let me be sure you have learned something new today. Yes, I want your emoji. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, Nedum has learned something new. Yes, who else? Who else has learned something today? Where is your emoji? Thumbs up. Thumbs up emoji. Okay. Next question. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya? Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya? Oh, Joy, your own is not even one. 1, 2, 3, emoji, thumbs up. Okay, that's great. I know Dr. Blai has learned new thing already. And there's one. I don't know whether one is still here or she has gone. I don't know because she's not responding again. Okay. So we are talking about kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. That is the next sentence. Kedu mgbe ị chere. Okay, Princess is still here. Thank you, Princess. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. That is the next sentence. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Let's go. Let's go. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Write it. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Doctor, I have. At least you have responded. I think you are looking for where to get this emoji. You did not see it. You could write in the way you can understand. That's better. That's fine. Okay. Princess is in. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. I will not say anything. I wait for others to come in. Nedum. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Good. Where is Joy and Dr. Blai? Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay, kedu mgbe Joy is in. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Ị ga-enweta ya. Okay, you try, Dr. Blahi. Kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Okay, good effort. Let's mark the script now. Ezenwa wrote, kedu mgbe ị chere na ị ga-enweta ya. Perfect sentence. Nothing to correct. Ezenwa. Perfect. Nothing to correct. Nedum. Kedum mgbe I chere. No. You are I will stand alone. It represents you. When do you? It is you. You have to stand alone. Chere. Just like Ezenwa wrote it. Chere. Na. I ga-enweta ya. I think that is the only thing that is not correct in your own. Then, joy. Kedu mgbe I chere na I ga-enweta ya? Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, joy, you're perfect. Dr. Bly, kedu mgbe I chere na I ga? No. No, I chere na. Now how to stand alone. Then I stand alone. Then ga. Ga dash enweta, ga-enweta will get. Then ya will stand alone, just like Ezenwa wrote it, princess. Great one. So who will decode this for us now? Let's give it a try out. What is the meaning? You've talked about what you want to achieve for the year. You've talked about the need to have a plan. And I ask you the next question. What is this question talking about? What is it? What is it all about? Decode it for us. Who will decode it for us? Kedu mgbe I chere na ị ga-enweta ya? Decode it for us. Yes. Decode it for us. Joy, when do you think you will get it? This joy is getting faster. This joy is getting smarter and smarter in Igbo language. Love that. Ezenwa. Is it ga-enweta or ga-inweta? No, it's not ga-inweta, it's ga-enweta. Some parts of Igbo will say ga-inweta, but that is not Central Igbo. It is ga-enweta. Okay, I've answered your question, princess. It's ga-enweta. When would her? Joy has given her interpretation and translation. Anybody challenging her? Joy is very bold in this matter. Who is challenging her? Who is challenging Joy to the particular translation? Waiting. Who is challenging Joy in the translation? Yes. Who is challenging Joy in the translation? Anyone? Anyone? No one has come in with translation except Joy. No one. No one. No one. No one. They do? No challenge. No challenge. They do have raised his hand up for Joy. No challenge. So does chere mean think? Yes. Chere depends on the sound. Chere, high, is wait. Chere, low, think. Chere, high, wait. Okay? Yeah, Joy is lecturing you now. She's repeating what I just said now. That's good. Joy, you are on fire today. I can see. You are on fire. Okay? So you can get it. Joy is confirming what I just said. Joy is on fire today. Okay? So no challenge. Princess, so you don't want to challenge this translation. Why? You are the one that got the sentence correct first. So why are you not going to give us the translation, princess? What are you waiting for? Is it network? Thank you, Joy. Okay. Joy, somebody is raising hand up for you. He's saying Tuale. Now you'll be your girl. Can you be Oga? Okay. All right. So, no. Okay. Joy is acknowledging the greeting. Okay. That's fine. So, if no one is coming in, Joy's translation is perfect. It's perfect. Very perfect. Very perfect. When do you think you will get it? When do you think you will achieve it? When do you think you will accomplish that thing you plan to get or do this year? That is perfect. Right. Let's go. We are having few minutes left, although we have crossed 1 hour already. But let's do one or two more in compensation for those that came in late because of the disruption. We are supposed to really have more people in the class today, if not for what we encountered. I know that for sure, because we have about 12 members in this class, in this channel already. So we are supposed to have more people in class today, but all the same, I believe they're going to watch the replay. They're going to watch the replay when it's uploaded in our channel. So that will be a compensation, a consolation for them. But I'm sure we should have had more people today in the class. Things say they don't push us out. This their network wala. They want to spoil this class that we are around, but thank God they didn't succeed. Okay, so that's fine. We'll move on to one or two questions more. Okay, the next one is Guinea. I use so many question precursor for most of these things, just to let you know there are different ways you can ask questions. Remember, I use Guinea. I now use Ole. I use Kedu. These are three ways of answering questions in Igbo. And all of them are correct, depending on the circumstance or what you want to achieve. So I've used Guinea, I've used Kedu, I've used Ole. So all of them are correct. Okay, but depending on how you want to use it. When we are talking about number, okay, or place, most times we use Olebe. We can also say Kedebe. Okay, so those two are always used more for place or number. But when we are talking about other things like name of somebody or other things like that, we say Gene, Genebo. What is this? What is that? Okay. So all of them can be used depending on the one you find more convenient. So this time around, I'm using Gene, and we are saying Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Let's go. Oh, everyone is still saying she's confused. She's still confused. Is it ga a or ga e? I have said it's ga a. Ga a. I've already said that ga enweta, not ga inweta. Is ga enweta, is e, not I. I believe it's very clear. Okay, even Joy is also contributing. Joy is also saying exactly what I'm saying now. So it's not ga inweta, it's ga enweta e. I believe Princess Ezewa is clear now. Okay. No, I didn't say both of them are correct. Oh, it's not ga inweta. I never said ga inweta is correct. Inweta is to have. Okay. Enweta is when will you have? Look at the sentence. The sentence is, when do you think you will have? You will have. Okay. Will have is ga. Ga, that. Okay. Ga enweta, ga eweta. Okay. But inweta is to have. I'm talking to everyone now. Inweta is to have. So please, let's not confuse the two. They are not the same. I hope Princess is getting what I'm explaining. When it is Gaenweta will have, it is never going to be Gainweta, it's Gaenweta. Okay? Inweta is to have. Okay? Not will have, is to have. Inweta. Is that clear, Princess? Okay. I've asked another question now. I've made another sentence, which is Gene poro. Igbochigi inwetaya. Let's go. I think this should be the last sentence for today. Yes, because of our time. I've already shot beyond 1 hour with the 30 minutes delay in the first attempt before we started this one. Gene poro. Igbochigi inwetaya. Let's go. Gene poro. Igbochigi inwetaya. Okay, Nedum has written. Any other person coming in with a response? Any other person? Any other person? Some people have run away, but they are still here. Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Yes. Any other response coming in? Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Yes. Joy is here. Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Good one. Any other answer? I'm going to mark now. The question is, any other person coming in? I will wait for you a little bit. The question is, Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? That is the question. I got 2 responses. Anybody coming in again? Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Doctor, are you here? Princess, where are you? Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Yes. Yes, Princess, are you still here? Dr. Bly, are you still here? Yes. Waiting for you now. Waiting for you now. Why I'm waiting for you? I want to thank those of you who, stayed with us despite the initial challenges to make this class happen. Because you stayed put and you endured, we have a lesson and a class for everybody. Because as you know, this video will be uploaded automatically into our channel after this class. So other members of the channel will be able to rewatch it later, and then they will also learn. But if you didn't come back, if you didn't wait, there won't be any video for them to watch later. You too can also rewatch and then get more understanding. So I appreciate you guys. God will bless you for the faith in us. So let me mark now. It appears no one is coming again. The Dumu Road, or it could be network too. Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Igbochi is the I should be together, and then it's GBO, not GBU. Okay, Dr. Blah is going for prayer. That's right. That's okay. It's GBO, not GBU. That's the only correction there. Igbochi should be together. IGBOCHI. Okay? That is the only thing they did not get. Joy. Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Joy igbochi is IGB, not IBO. That is the only thing you miss there. Is the GB, not just BO. Yeah, good effort. Now, let's round up with the meaning of this. The meaning of this. The meaning of this. Yes, let's interpret. What is the meaning? Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? What is the meaning? Let's go. Last for today. Who is taking the final prize? Who is taking the final prize for today? Translate this. Translate this. Yes. Translate it now. Yes. Dr. Blai has gone for prayer, so translate. They do, Doctor and Nurse Joy. I have a family of nurses and doctors. That's interesting. Okay. Waiting for the translation now. Yes. Gịnị pụrụ igbochi gị inweta ya? Yes. Waiting for you. Joy. What can stop you from getting it? Woo! Joy is on fire. I must confess. Joy, you're on fire. You did marvelously well today. It's Nedum. Nedum say no idea. Nedum has hands up for Joy. Today, Joy is a winner. Joy, I doff my car for you. I salute for you. Okay, thank you also, Nedu. Both of you came in early enough and stayed through the hour before others joined. You had the staying power. I appreciate you guys. I hope to rectify whatever is not in order in the computer and get it to work perfectly well next Saturday. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for being here. Thank you for learning with us. God bless you. So see you next Saturday. Joy, take care of yourself. Okay. Poro means poro is can. I'm answering this question. Poro is can. Igbochi is hinder or prevent or stop. So Joy wrote, what can? Gịnị poro? What can stop? Gịnị poro igbochi or ịkwụsị? Igbochi is to hinder. Ịkwụsị is to stop. The only difference is that I should have used ịkwụsị, but I also accept that interpretation. Stopping you, hindering you, preventing you, they are all the same thing. Stop. From getting it, inweta ya. So, is that clear, Dr. Nedu? Is that clear? Doctor, confirm you are clear. Is that okay? Yeah, that's great. See you next Saturday. Except for the dude that I will see before Saturday. He's in my private class. So we'll always see. All right. See you next time. God bless you. I appreciate you guys. You are too much.